Hey guys, it's Susan. How's everybody doing today? I hope everybody's having a great day. So far, so good over here. Today, I want to show you how to put together a Star Lariat necklace. It's really easy. You're going to need 2 stars, and these are pearls. These are 10 by 4 by 5 millimeter natural freshwater pearls, star shape. So you're going to need 2 of these. You're going to need these stoppers with a little connector on the side. So let me show you what this looks like. So you've got the little stopper in the middle, and then on one side you have a loop. So you're going to need one of those. Just one. So let me put that back. You're going to need 2 pieces of wire. This is 24 gauge, and I'm using Beadalon 24 gauge. Let me get that to show you what that looks like. So you're going to need that, and I cut this 4 inches, and you're going to need 2 pieces. You're going to need 2 jump rings, a clasp, and some chain. So I'm using this. I just got this in the mail. I ordered it from Amazon. This is by Kadiki's. Okay, and it comes in a spool. You get quite a bit, and it's really sturdy. It's really strong chain. So when I cut it, I actually had to use my memory wire cutters. I couldn't use my flush cutters because it wouldn't cut through the metal. So anyway, this is the chain that I used, and now we can get started. So first what you're going to do, what I did first, is I cut my piece of chain, and I cut this 17 inches because I know that my star on one side is going to take up a bit, maybe half an inch, and then my dangle is going to take up half an inch, and then my jump rings probably an inch. So total I probably have an 18-inch necklace, which is what I want. Okay. Oh, and I also need a piece of scrap wire, a thin piece. So I have this one right here. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take one end of my chain, and I need to put my star on it. So I'm going to take my 4-inch piece of 24 gauge wire, and I need to make a loop on one side of this. So I'm going to come down about an inch, bring the wire to the back, switch out for my round nose pliers, and I'm going to make a loop on this end. So I'm going to come up, over, down, rotate, bring the wire to the back. So I've got a loop. Taking out my round nose pliers, I'm going to pinch it down with my chain nose pliers and open it up. Open it so I can put on my chain. So once I have that connected, then I can go ahead and pinch down the loop that I made and wire wrap this around. So I can come around about 2 times. You can use your fingers or your pliers. I'm just going to use my fingers because the wire is 24 gauge, so it's fairly soft to maneuver. So then I'm going to cut and get some chain nose pliers out and pinch down that end that I cut so it doesn't poke me. Okay, after I've done that, then I'm going to slide on my star. And it's always good to pre-test your wire and your pearls first just to make sure that it even goes through. Because some of these pearl holes are so tiny they don't fit, and you're going to have to use 28, 26 gauge, but I was lucky to use 24 gauge because I like this thickness with this chain. Okay, so we've got one end secure. Now what we have to do is attach this end to this end. So what I need to do is wire wrap this side, and I'm going to do it the same way that I just did this side. I'm going to push the wire to the back, switch out for my round nose pliers, come up, over, down, rotate, and bring the wire to the back and straighten it out. Remove my pliers, pinch down the loop, open that up, and I'm going to add my stopper connector. Put it through the loop. I'm going to pinch down the loop that I just made. And this time I'm actually going to use my flat pliers. And I'm going to come around. So let's see, this is the third time. Oops. There we go. And then I'm going to stop there. Then I can go ahead and pinch it with my cutters. Cut that off. Pinch that down. Okay, so now we've got one side of our necklace done. Now with this side, I'm going to put my scrap wire through my link, my last link, fold it in half, kind of pinch it down so it's narrow right here, because I want this wire to go through my stopper. So I'm going to take both of my wire ends, put it through my stopper, and pull it out like that. Pull that out, and there I have my lariat, my star. Now I can remove this and add my star to the end. Okay, so originally I was going to use this other 4-inch piece of wire, but it doesn't have a head pin on here. So I'm going to use a 2-inch head pin with a ball on the bottom already. So I put it through my star. Now I need to connect these together. So I'm going to go ahead and wire wrap it by bringing the wire to the back, switching out for my round nose pliers, do the same thing, pinch it down, come up, over, down, rotate, and bring the wire to the back and straighten out my loop like that. Okay, I'm going to pinch down the loop, open it up, and hang on my chain at the very last link. Then I'm going to pinch that down, and I'm going to wire wrap this around. So I'm going to take my flat pliers and come around my stem. And I think that looks nice. I was going to go a third time. Well, let me see if I could, because I don't want the star to be too crowded against the wrap. But I think I could go one more time. Yeah. Okay. So I went around 3 times, and then I'll go ahead and cut it off. And pinch it down. And there we have it. So pretty, right? Our little Star Lariat necklace. And you can adjust this. So this can slide closer if you want it closer to your neck like that, the star dangle. Or if you want it longer, you just hold on to this and pull the chain longer like that. Whatever you prefer, it's up to you, but it's so beautiful and so easy to make. Oh, but you know what? We forgot one thing. We forgot to put the clasp on. Oh no. Okay. So from right here, like this, I'm going to center it. Okay. Then I'm going to take my memory wire cutters and I'm going to cut right at the top. Then I'm going to bring in my jump rings and my clasp. Open up my jump ring. So let me find the opening. Then I'm going to twist it open. Take one end of my chain and put my jump ring through it. And then I can add my clasp and close it up by twisting it back. And then I'm going to open up the other jump ring. Put that through the other end of my chain. And close that up. Okay, now we have the completed necklace. And there you have it. So pretty. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video and you will give this a try. It is so pretty and it's so easy to make. You just need very little supplies. You just need your stars. You can also switch this out for just a regular pearl or a coin pearl, solitary pearl, a heart, whatever you like. But the important one is this stopper with the connector. Let me show you what this looks like again. And I got these on Amazon. Is a stopper with the connector. That's the important thing on this. And you can use any kind of chain. You can go silver, you can go rose gold. You need your 2 jump rings and your clasp. And you need some wire to wire wrap this and a head pin for this. So that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed the video and you will consider subscribing. Thanks for joining me. See you again next time.